And my new shoes though. And I just pray y'all know what to do. I pray, because
love you plenty. Terrific Tuesday. Welcome to my Rebel Growing Amazing Family Oriented YouTube channel, where I show you step by step how to make healthy meals for my light skin handsome husband, who I love plenty, who always treat me proper and gets me right. I love you plenty, my husband. I'll thank you for all your support, my light skin handsome husband. I get healthy meals for my light skin handsome husband, children, and family. Please like, share, subscribe. Watch my related videos.
You got enough stirring, no? Man, oldest, but you're old. You know, I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? Just right. It's good. Just like it's supposed to be. People ready to eat now. Thank you, Greg.
Thank you, my love.
Greg don't want no more. That's good. More for us. He said he don't want no.
That's good.
I'm trying to get Greg to believe so I can keep it all. I just give it texture with the potatoes. Then you got the green beans and you pop out at you.
Excuse me, Dad.
And I love that woman cook chicken, best chicken I ever had, better than my chicken.
Who's that?
You.
I don't eat chicken no more, but I can
cook
see
chicken
it.
before. I
Yeah,
remember.
because she cooked chicken.
Thank you, my
I
love.
remember she cooked chicken before.
Only reason I'm fine. I really don't play that game. Roger?
Thank you, my love.
What do you say? Water, but better. This has got more in it. No, it removes it. You know what? It too.
Magnificent Monday. Welcome to my really going amazing family on YouTube channel, where I show you step by step how to make healthy meal for my life and husband, children, and family. Please like, share, subscribe. A special thank you to my light-skinned handsome husband who always treats me